We love our pets like our best friends. Depending on the personality of both animal and human, this ongoing relationship can develop into a source of companionship when we are alone. We take care of them like our own children, and the vast majority of Americans consider their pets as part of the family. But what really makes them an integral part of the home and family life? We explore the Cobb household, who have two Persian cats to brighten up their home and would not have it any other way.
Hi, I'm Alex Cobb. I've lived with Coco and Bunny for a few years now. They are great cats, well behaved and mannered. At times they will get into mischief, but nothing too crazy. Coco is, well, a gentleman for the most part. He is the leader and Bunny follows what he does. Bunny can be a bit spoiled at times and whines for whatever she wants.
Hi, I'm Andrew Cobb, and I know the cats well. They are more than just cats to me. They are family. No matter what they do, they are always here for us. I do not know what my life would be without Coco and Bunny. Here's to many more years with our furry pals.